Look at how big this plant is. This thing's got to be 8 foot around, and it's about 4 foot high, 4.5 feet high, all blue flowers. I wonder if these are in the hydrangea family or something, because the way these flowers come, very similar to how the hydrangeas bloom, you know. So this is for all my blue flower people. That is huge, 8 foot all the way around by about 4 foot high. It's amazing. And that's the back of our apartments. And I escaped. No. Yes. I did escape, but I'm not doing anything wrong. I didn't escape. I'm just kidding. Okay, now we're gonna try and go home the unfun way after we shoot these real quick. Hang on. These are nice flowers. Same as those blue ones we were just looking at. Bumpy ride. Get ready if I can make it. Okay, we're gonna try. It's gonna be bumpy. Hang on. Look at that. I made it up that hill just like that. wonder what that is. I'm so bummed. I really wanted to find some hawks today. Well, day's not over yet. And it's a beautiful day. I'm gonna put Sammy in the house and come out in just a little bit with a drink of water and take my medicine, rest a minute, and oh goodness, no, okay, rest a minute and then oh, sorry about that. We were just over by that. Wow, we were way over there. We were so close to that a few minutes ago. That's crazy. My dog's right there moving around, sorry. Check out the sky. Cloud shapes are so cool. So it's now, I don't know what time it is. Hang on. Let's see. 8:17 in the morning. Eastern Standard Time. So here in Florida on the East Coast. 8 something. I know my clock's not exactly right on my wheelchair, but it's about right. Kind of right. So there's a beautiful sky. I gotta get ready for my doctor's appointment we got this morning. Both of us have been having to do doctor's appointments online through telehealth because we can't get to the doctors. And it is very unsafe for us to be going into any facility that has closed ventilation like a doctor's office like that. So thankfully they've been letting us do what do you call it, telehealth. So that's our van, and it's gonna be, hopefully we're gonna get the air fixed and the little issue with the coil on number 8 or something, and God willing we'll be fixed and ready to go. Have a God-filled day and be kind. And if not, make sure you're recording. Bye.